Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how you can connect Bluetooth earphones and a Bluetooth speaker together at the same time to your Samsung A54 smartphone or the A52 smartphone. This dual audio mode feature is available mainly for Samsung phones that are flagship tier, but surprisingly, the A54 has this feature and the A52 as what I know so far at the time of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to go ahead and pair up one of your devices first here. You can start with the speaker. That's going to be your friend's device here. So you want to get the speaker into pairing mode and get it all connected. And to do this here on your Samsung phone, use the quick panel access, go into the Bluetooth toggle here, long press, go to details first, then turn it on so you can see what's going on. Wait for the speaker to show up. So you go ahead and connect your speaker. It's going to be this one here. You'll get the pairing request, press pair, and you'll have your first device connected. Now go ahead and connect your second device, which would be your earphones. These here are the Pro S Minis. If you were curious to know the name of it, I think they're pretty cool and awesome. While they're in the case, they will enter into pairing mode here, and you'll need to scan again on your device if they didn't show up the first time, and just go ahead and press pairing. You get the request. And this is the key point here right now. If you see these two selected in the color that it should be, that means they're both connected. It'll say connected. That's the sign that your Samsung phone has the dual audio mode. Now, other than all this here, the next thing you want to do is go into the media output settings. So for some Samsung phones here, you'll need to set it to show. And I'm talking about this option right here. If you don't see this here, bring it down a second time and tap on this edit icon right here. Go to device control media output buttons here and make sure it's set to this one here. Once you're done now, when you come back here, you'll see the media output. And you have to go into this thing here to enable both audio devices to play together at the same time. This is the part where you can have them both play together at the same time. Even though you already connect them together, you'll need to select them both by tapping on the toggles here. You'll see now that they're both connected and ready to go. That's gonna work for your Samsung phone if your Samsung phone has this feature. So to test it out, first things you'll notice once you have it set up done correctly, when you press the volume up or down here, you'll notice that there are two controls here. And now you can toggle and adjust either one of them. The one on the right, or whichever one it is, will show you the name. So this one here is the Pro S, and this one here on the left would be your Sony speaker. So you can control it from wherever you are, whoever has the phone and whoever has whatever device. If their device has controls here, they can also control it from here as well. Okay, and you can see that it's going up and down from here with these speakers. And if your earphones have that option too, it can be adjusted, but you can hear it playing from both devices itself. And of course, if this guide did help you out in any way, please do hit that like and subscribe.